Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Kirti Chabra, and I'm your host for today's session in association with Radvision Consultants. Today, I'm here on their Facebook page to share information about Flair College of Management and Technology, our programs, the admission requirements, and also discuss why you should consider Flair College. I would like to thank the team Radvision Consultants for giving me this opportunity to explain about our college. I request the viewers to ask their questions regarding college and programs, and I'll be answering their questions at the end of my presentation. If our viewers have any questions after the session, they can ask their questions in the comments, and the team Radvision Consultants would be happy to answer their questions. FCMT or Flair College of Management and Technology is a private institution and a designated learning institute. It is located in Vaughan, Ontario. Vaughan is a beautiful city near Toronto. It's one of the wealthiest cities and one of the best places to live in Ontario. People have high average monthly income here. The city has good public transport connectivity, excellent healthcare services, and easy and nearby availability of groceries and other routine stuff. There are many entertainment options also. You can find restaurants, malls, cinemas, arcades, and amusement parks here. The famous Vaughan Mills Mall and Canada's Wonderland Amusement Park, they are also situated here. So the city has everything which you require for a convenient life. We have another campus coming up soon at Brampton. Brampton is a beautiful city and it's a very popular city among Indians. There is a large number of Indian community based here. Living in Brampton is convenient as well as cheap. Rents are less, transportation costs and other day-to-day expenses are less as compared to other cities. People have easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Brampton is also a great place for nature lovers and active people also. There are more than 800 parks, two large conservation areas, and 5 systems of trails. These trails are used for walking, running, and biking. So all these things make Brampton one of the most livable places in Ontario. Talking about Ontario, it is the most prosperous or the richest province and the second largest province area wise and has the largest population. There are many factors why this province has the largest population and why it is the richest province. And the province has a strong economy as the national capital Ottawa and the business capital of the country, which is Toronto, they are located here. There are better employment opportunities in this province and the income from business as well as jobs is also higher. So people like coming here and they prefer settling down here. Weather is also favorable as compared to most of the other parts in Canada. Winters are milder and summers and spring are pleasant and beautiful. So let me start with the programs now. We have our most important program, which is Diploma in Computing Support. This is our pathway program in collaboration with Lester B. Pearson School Board, Montreal. This is a 2-year undergraduate diploma. In this program, students will be studying at Flair College for 1 year, and then in the second year, they will get admission into Lester B. Pearson School Board, where after graduating, they will be eligible for a postgraduate work permit. The tuition fees for this program is $27,163. The marks requirement for this program is 50% or above, and for English proficiency, the students should have IELTS score of 5.5, not less than 5. The main advantage of this program is that students will be getting the learning experience of 2 provinces, that is Ontario and Quebec. This will also enhance their employment opportunities Another important advantage is that the classes are flexible, which are mostly on weekends, so the students can work part-time on weekdays. This program also includes a 12-week co-op where the students will get to work in the job market, and this experience will be valuable for them in their future career prospects. Our next program is Diploma in Culinary and Hospitality Operations Management. Students from humanities background can take up this course. The tuition fees for this program is $23,480. The academic requirement is 50% marks or above, and the IELTS requirement is 5.5, not less than 5. Moving on, we have Diploma in Business Management for commerce background students. The marks requirement is 50% minimum, and the IELTS requirement is 5.5, not less than 5. The tuition fees of this program is 19,500 Canadian dollars, which is very, very economical. Then we have our next program. This is a one-year culinary program which is called Chef de Cuisine. This is a one-year post-secondary diploma. It's a highly prestigious program which provides the skills necessary to become an executive chef or a master chef. The tuition fees for this program is 17,930 Canadian dollars. The academic requirement and the IELTS requirement are same, which is 50% marks minimum and 5.5, not less than 5. We have two other undergraduate programs also, which are Diploma in Business Administration and Diploma in Hospitality Administration. The academic requirements and IELTS score required are the same as other undergraduate programs. Moving further, we have three postgraduate diplomas also. The first one is Postgraduate Diploma in Project Management. This program has been designed keeping in view the guidelines of Project Management Body of Knowledge. The tuition fees for this program is 14,000 Canadian dollars. To be eligible for this program, the students must have a bachelor's degree or equivalent with a minimum of 50% marks, and the IELTS score required for our PG programs is 6, not less than 5.5. And the two other PG programs are Postgraduate Diploma in Systems Testing Engineering and Enterprise Network Engineering. These are all one-year postgraduate programs. The tuition fees is $13,495. The marks required are 50% minimum, and the IELTS requirement is 6, not less than 5.5. Now I invite our viewers to ask questions if they have any doubts regarding programs and their requirements. For all our programs, the applicant's age must be 18 years minimum. We have questions. How much gap do you accept from Aman Kumar? Yes, we accept gap for undergraduate programs. It is 3 years maximum, and for our PG programs, the gap acceptable is 5 years. Ashi, we have another question from Ashi. I'm a BBA student with 52% and 2016 pass out. I have 6, not less than 5.5 in 2 modules. Am I eligible with 4 years of study gap and scores? Yes, Ashi, you are eligible for our postgraduate programs. You can opt between our 3 PG programs. That depends on your individual interest, and for detailed assessment you can contact Radvision consultants, and they will be guiding you in processing your application. Anjali, how many backlogs will be accepted for PG programs? Anjali, we accept a maximum of 12 backlogs. Up to 12 backlogs you can get admission, you can get offer letter for our college. Aman Kumar, is work permit available in this college? Yes, we have our pathway program, which is diploma in computing support, which I mentioned in my presentation. Work permit is available for this program. Internship co-op provided to students is paid or unpaid. Uh, yes, you will be getting an unpaid internship. Student did 12th non-medical in 2020, but the result is pending. So can you accept applications with predictive results? Yes, we are accepting. With the projected scores, you will be getting offer letters. Ashu, I have scored 75% in grade 12th and 62% in graduation. The IELTS score is 6, not less than 5.5, but there are long educational gaps since 2015. Am I eligible for FCMT? You passed your graduation 12th in 2015. If you can explain what you have been doing during this period, then you can be eligible. But for detailed assessment, I would again suggest you to give your profile to RadVision consultants, and they would be happy to guide you. So why you should consider Flair College? At Flair College, we have all the programs which are career focused, and they have been designed by experts, keeping in view the needs of the job market, and the faculty is highly qualified and committed, and the class size has been kept small, so the students get maximum attention by their instructors, and the fees at our college is also quite affordable. Both the campuses have locations which are easily accessible from different parts in the city. So these are all the benefits of studying at FCMT. Let me see if we have more questions. Let's wait for a few minutes. We have another question. What language proficiency test do you accept, and what is the minimum requirement for each test? As I mentioned earlier, we accept IELTS, and we also accept PTE, Duolingo, and TOEFL, which is equivalent to the IELTS score. For undergraduate programs, the IELTS score we are accepting is 5.5, not less than 5. And for PG programs, the IELTS requirement is 6, not less than 5.5. And we'll be accepting PT and TOEFL at par with these IELTS score required. And in the wake of COVID-19, we are also accepting Duolingo. Is MBBS program available in your college by Aman Kumar? No, unfortunately, we do not have MBBS program in our college. We have another question by Ashu Astha. Open board accepted or not? Yes, we are accepting open board. You can send your profiles to RadVision consultants. Our viewers who have joined us in this session, thank you for joining us and watching us. I again thank RadVision Consultants team for having me here. Everyone stay safe and stay healthy. Take care and all the best.